Yo guys, what's up? Your boy is back, and today I got a big news for the Galaxy Note fans. It is officially coming from the Samsung. They have teased a video on their Facebook page, and in this video we can see that they are showing the S Pen, and in this we can see they are telling about the launch event for the Galaxy Note 9. It is held in New York, and the launch date is 9th of August. In the teaser we can see there is a S Pen, and it is not a typical S Pen we have seen before. It is a different S Pen. There is a button on the S Pen, and there is a rumor suggest that this S Pen will act as a portable Bluetooth device, and we will see at the launchment that what this S Pen has to offer, what it has to do with the Galaxy Note 9, what feature that it brings. In this video, we're going to talk about the Galaxy Note 9 features. We will talk about its specification, and we will see that what this device has to offer is different from the previous models or not. Is it worth buying? It is like the same that we got on the Galaxy Note 8. So let's see in this video. Don't skip out and don't forget to subscribe. As you guys know, the Galaxy Note 9 is a month away from its official launch, but it doesn't mean it's too early for the leaks to start pouring in. We have got a big one from the Elder Murtazin. He was able to spend some time with a pre-production unit in the US. He talks about the design, functionality, and some specification of this phone. The Galaxy Note 9 will likely to come up with new Exynos chipset. It is not officially confirmed by Samsung, it is a rumor, so this might be due to the improvement of Samsung Experience UI. Moreover, the Murtazin says the UI animation of Galaxy Note 9 has changed and it feels great. There is a bad news for the Galaxy Note 8 users if they want an upgrade, because the elder tells us the Galaxy Note 9 is same like its predecessor. There is not much difference in the design, but there is a noticeable change on the back. The fingerprint scanner have moved under the dual camera setup to avoid the accidental touches of the camera lens and smudging it, and the material used for making up this device is same that we find on the Galaxy Note 8. Moreover, the Galaxy Note 9 feels heavier than the Galaxy Note 8. It is because the battery capacity has increased to 4000 mAh, and it is a great thing that we are seeing in this phone. The Galaxy Note 9 will get the 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and there is a 128 GB variant, and a rumor suggests that there is a 512 GB variant with 8 GB of RAM. So we'll see at the launch event on 9th of August that is this device is coming or not. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. If you know anything about this device, sound off in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.